Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn business online. First, define your specific learning objectives. Are you aiming to start a new venture, enhance existing skills, or understand a particular industry? Next, research reputable online platforms like Coursera, edX, or LinkedIn Learning. Evaluate their course offerings, instructor credentials, and student reviews to find the best fit for your needs and budget. Focus on core business areas such as marketing, finance, and operations. Understanding how to effectively promote your product, manage your money, and streamline processes is crucial. Additionally, cultivate soft skills like communication, negotiation, and leadership. These are invaluable for building relationships and guiding teams. Don't forget to learn about legal frameworks and ethical standards to ensure responsible business practices. Theory is important, but practical application solidifies your learning. Look for opportunities to work on real-world projects, perhaps by volunteering or starting a small personal venture. Actively participate in online forums and communities to network with peers and industry experts. Building connections can open doors to collaborations and mentorship. A good mentor can offer invaluable guidance and share practical insights. The business world is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key. Stay informed about new technologies, market shifts, and consumer behaviors. Regularly assess your skills and knowledge, identifying areas for improvement or further study. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities to learn and adapt. This commitment to lifelong learning will ensure your business acumen remains sharp and relevant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.